A microMansions kit should take at a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks to construct if you have a contractor who has a full crew who's going to be on site consistently during the build process. You can reach out to your local city or county authority for contractor recommendations. You can also contact us and we can help you identify some local contractors in your area. Your financial institution might also have some recommendations on contractors they've worked with in the past. We offer 2 types of kits. We offer a base package, which includes just the shell of your home. It's the interior, exterior walls, the insulation, the windows, the exterior doors. Everything is dried in, and then you can select whatever finishes you'd like. We also offer the full kit, which comes with pre-selected exterior and interior finishes that you can choose from. Our kits range in cost from about $40,000 up into $90,000. It depends on the square footage, the home style that you're buying, and if you are purchasing it as a base kit package or a full kit package.